Okay, today I'll be trying the viral Bask and Lather air control so you don't have to. Okay, so as you can see, my braids are old and tired as fuck, okay? So let's see. Alright, that's this side. Okay, let me do that side. This is just too fucking much. Like, what do you do with this piece? But I don't even know. I don't even know. Like, what the fuck do you do with this fat ass piece of hair? And this is the final look. I'm about to go to the gym and I'll check back in and see if this lasts, how everybody be seeing it last.